So my home directory takes up something like 500 gigs. Um, what I want to do is take you down here. Just boot off this guy. This is Ubuntu v.current. I'll just put it in here. Everything will be fine. I have no backup device, quite honestly. You can get 1 terabyte USB sticks these days, but what I have is this little USB to SATA SCSI IDE adapto thing, and I've got a total of 4 of these set-top box drives. These two are 320 gig each. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I've got 2 of them here, and I've got the 250 gigs over here. I shouldn't need either of these, and I'm just doing copy-PR. I'm up in home, copy PR, Chris A to L to new drive. I'm wondering how long this is going to take. I didn't RTFM and figure out, can I do like my rsync or SCP minus PR, some such kind of thing, get a visual hash thing, but it's halfway there.